I'm Ella Scotto, and we're going to be talking about the level. So I have 3 different levels here with me, and we have a 4-foot level, a 2-foot level, and a bullet level. Whenever you are going to level a surface or plumb a surface, you want to choose the length of level that is going to span the majority of the surface that you're leveling. So if we wanted to get a representation of what was going on with this table here in front of me, I would choose my 4-foot level because it is the longest one that I have access to at the moment. If I used my 2-foot level or my bullet level, I'm only going to get a representation of what is going on from one end of the level to the other. And so what's going on here at the middle of the table might be completely different from what's going on from one end to the other. So I'm going to put these to the side for the moment. And the first thing I want to do is make sure that my surface is clear of debris. If I have little pieces of wood shavings or dirt piled up, it's going to lift my level on one end or the other, and it's going to skew my results. So I'm going to clear all of this off. And now I can go ahead and place my level down. And I'm going to be looking at this center bubble here. Now I want my bubble to be as close to in between those 2 center lines as possible. Right now, my bubble is a little bit further this way than I would like it to be. So to get my bubble centered between those 2 lines, I'm going to have to lift one end or the other. If you're not sure which end to lift, go ahead and pick one up. If the bubble gets worse, that's not the right end. So then I have to come to this end, and I'm going to lift it just enough so that my bubble is perfectly centered between those 2 lines. Now at this point, what I would do if I had a shim is I would maybe stick a shim under there, or I can eyeball about how much I'm lifting my level. And it looks like it's maybe 1/8 of an inch or 3/16. And so that's going to tell me that the amount that my table is dropping over 4 feet is going to be roughly 1/8 of an inch drop over 4 feet. So this horizontal bubble is measuring level. Level is in a horizontal plane versus this bubble at the top here is going to measure plumb. And so plumb is going to be your vertical plane. Then we have our 45-degree bubble over here, which is going to give us our 45-degree angle for bracing. If we have braces that need to be at 45-degree angles, we can use our 45-degree bubble for a quick little reference.